Today we're making Opor Ayam or Chicken Opor, an Indonesian chicken curry that is, surprise surprise, not spicy at all. This is so delicious, flavorful and super fragrant and just perfect for beginners to the Indonesian cuisine. And easy too, so let's go! First, we still have to get some blending done. I have an onion here, as well as some shallots. Now you can use either or and you don't have to use both. Some cloves of garlic. This is galangal or blue ginger. Now this is what really gives the super fragrant floral undertones for this dish. And these are candlenuts, which turns this really creamy and nutty and super hearty. You can also just use hazelnuts or cashew nuts will work well too. Next, I'm also adding some coriander seeds and some fennel. You can also use cumin. Finally, just some water so that we have an easier blend. And then we blend. This is the consistency that you want. Alright, time to cook. To a pot, add some oil. Once it's hot, add the blended paste in. Give the blended paste a saute until it's fragrant or until the paste has kind of dried a little. Now this should take about just 5 minutes. Once fragrant, add in a bruised lemongrass, some bay leaves. I'm using the dried version and this is what it looks like. You can also use fresh ones. As well as some Kaffir lime leaves. Tear them up before adding it to the base paste. Stir that through for another couple of minutes. And then we add in our chicken. Toss that through the base paste and let the chicken get all nice and coated with all of its gorgeous spices. And now we're going to let that hang out and let the chicken half cook with the paste first. This is basically going to kind of flash marinate the chicken with all of those beautiful spices first. Not too long though, about 5 minutes or so, or just until the surface of the chicken is not pink anymore. Once you have something like this, add in water, as well as the coconut milk. Stir that through and get that all nice and mixed in until you get something like this, and then we are leaving this to simmer. Make sure you lower the heat and pop a cover on it, and we are basically gonna let this simmer until the chicken fully cooks. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes or so. When you come back, this is what you should get. The chicken should be fully cooked by now and the gravy would have reduced just a little bit. So if you want a thicker gravy, just let it simmer for longer just so it can reduce to your preference. But this is perfect for me. Season this with some salt. And of course, some sugar to round off all of those flavors. And your Opor Ayam or Chicken Opor is officially done. Opor Ayam is perfect with some rice and lontong or compressed rice cakes. Sometimes I even drink this as a soup. It's that yummy. I also like to give it a garnish of fried onions and you are done. So I hope you give this a go and bye!